Another day is another new update of Facebook, which we can create another profile in a very simple way. So kung hindi niya pa po alam, just watch this video. So, open po natin yung Facebook account natin. Tapos, punta po tayo sa 3 lines. And then, kung mapapansin nyo po dito, meron nang nakalagay na create another profile. Pindutin po natin yan. Tapos, get started. And then, itype na po natin yung gusto nating profile name. So, okay na po kahit one name lang. Hindi, like before, we need to put the first name, middle name, and surname. And then, yan, next. Or continue. Pwede rin nating palitan yung username natin dito and then create profile. Pindutin po natin yan. So as we can see, sabi dyan na your new profile is being created. So after that, switching profile. So ito na po, we just need to finish setup. Yan lang po kasimple. Thank you for watching and follow for more.